Okay, what have you got there, Rocco?
Show me.
Is that a Ferrari? La Ferrari car. What's it called?
It's a remote control La Ferrari. Have a look. Look, Rocco.
La Ferrari.
La Ferrari, that's it. Your little toy.
La Ferrari.
Show Mummy. Come on, have a look.
La Ferrari.
La Ferrari.
Michael.
Little burp. Look at that. Shall we open it?
The Ferrari this one.
What's that? That's where the batteries go, inside. And we've got the remote control. Look. Have a look.
Are we going to open it?
Shall we open it? Do you want to open it?
Do you open it?
Also, it's a remote control scale, 1/14 scale. Let's open it, Rocco.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Did you open it?
Yeah, Daddy, open it. And you get to play with it.
You can to open it.
Look at that. Lots of sticker tape, isn't it? Want to help Daddy?
Help Daddy? You want to help Daddy?
You help Daddy. Come on. I'm not talking, please. I can edit it anyway. Have a look. Rocco, look. Yeah, I'll grab that. Give that to Daddy. Thank you. Okay, yeah, let's open.
La Ferrari.
La Ferrari. Look at that. Put the box over here. Okay, let's open it. Okay. I take this out first.
Rocco,
We'll
don't
take
break
this out,
it.
Rocco. Take the remote control out first. We'll take the screws out. At the back. There's the remote. Remote control. Now we need to find the antenna. We'll take this out, take the plastic off. Off the car. Here we go. And at the bottom, what do we have? Here we go. There it is. Have a look. Instructions and the antenna. Should we put that on? Should we put that on? Let's put that on. Come on. Yeah. Can I have that? Screws on. Just like that. And there you go. Look. Don't break it.
Don't break it.
And to take the car out, it's got all of these plastic clips. There it is. La Ferrari.
La Ferrari.
Doors closed.
Open it.
You wanna open it? Hang on, there's more plastic on there. Hang on. You gotta take the plastic off. There's more plastic. There you go. We take that one off. Put it in there. With all the rubbish. There you go. You want to sit on it?
You want to sit
How
on
about
it?
now we put the batteries inside so you can use it? Okay, come on.
Can Mummy drive it?
You gonna let Mummy have a go? Mummy have a turn? Whoa!
Whee!
There you go. Bring it back.
Bring it back.
Come on. Let's see you drive it. Reverse, reverse. There you go.
We was kicking it.
Why are you kick it for? Drive it. You have the remote. You just gotta drive it now. Come on.
Gotta turn around.
You're gonna turn around. Is that how the car turns around? No. Come on.
No.
Can Daddy have a turn? Can Daddy have a turn?
Can Walker have that on?
Can Daddy? Yeah. Can Daddy have a turn? Well, there it goes. And reverse.
We was.
Reverse. You got
We
it.
was.
Daddy have a turn? You wanna have a turn? Okay.
Have a turn. Have a turn. Turn around. Turn that.
Okay. Ready? You ready, Rocco? You gonna drive it? You gonna reverse? Come on. Let's see you drive the car. Oh, back in the corner.
But in the corner.
Reverse. Oh, no, we bring it back over here so we can see the car. Come on. Whoop, there he goes. Whoop, whoop. Put it down. Where are you going? Whoa, car stuck. Whoa, where's the car going, Rocco?
You can't get back up there.
It's pretty fast, isn't it?
Mommy?
Rocco, move, watch. Pretty quick, isn't it? For a little car.
Take it to Nonna.
Okay.